Chris from Coconut Bay in beautiful St. Lucia, and today we're going to make some cocktails right from our menus. We are going to be making one of our favorites from our lobby bar. It's from one of our bartender creations, and it's called Coco4Coconuts. It's a chocolate coconutty drink, and it will make you feel good any time of day. So we're going to start this by some ice, shot of coconut rum, gold rum. This is sweetened coconut cream. And a little bit of regular cream. Okay. And then for the good stuff, we're putting in some chocolate syrup. And now we're going to give this a good shake and serve. And then we shake. So what we've done, we've rimmed this with some cocoa powder and we've drizzled some chocolate syrup on the inside for a garnish. And just top up. Voila! Coco4Coconuts.